Happy Monday morning, guys. April 20th. Here's a look at today and the week and a little bit of what we've got going on. If hopefully you enjoyed some awesome weather this weekend. It was beautiful outside, and it sounds like this week is going to be great. We have some more dress up days that you can see in your email for this week. Today is hoodie up all day. That makes sense. Tomorrow will be Crazy Sock and Hat Day, Tourist Day, Camouflage or Western, and then Laker Pride Day. So those are our dress up days this week. Let's see how many we can get to participate this week and upload pictures to Seesaw. And maybe we can get Mr. Lund to dress up one of these days. What do you think? All right, so when we take a look at our plan, here's our attendance in our email that you always need to do. Make sure you watch this video, which I'm sending out on Seesaw, and then look over our week at a glance. So when you look at the week at a glance, it looks like we only have a 3-day week. Sorry, we have a full 5-day week, but it just looks a little different. You'll have to scroll down to the bottom to get to Thursday and Friday. So here is Monday, April 20th. We have our lit circles that are going to be wrapping up this week, all of them except refugee. You guys got a little bit longer. We'll be meeting with My Side of the Mountain. So if you're in My Side of the Mountain, make sure you know what time you are meeting and check into that. Math, you are going to watch the lesson 7 video on how to use a net, and then you're going to do some more IXL. This time, you're going to do IXL 3 and 4. Be aware it is a score of 90, not 60 this time. And that this week, you're going to have to really pay attention to what the scores are because each day is a little bit different just because of the skills that we're going to be asking you to work on. Okay. An extra, if you want to, for math is create nets of figures with paper and tape from images on the video and send pictures in Seesaw would be awesome to start showing your learning. When you're looking at this week at a glance, the other thing we have loaded in here is your class meet times with some of your teachers. There's Mr. Moeller has entered his stuff, and we've got band stuff uploaded so that all these links are hopefully right in here for you. Okay. When we look back at the email, it goes over the same thing, lit circles, math, what we're working on. There is no small groups today, but I'd like you to take a look at that sheet just so you can start planning out your week, guys. Start looking and seeing what it is that you have to get done, who you're meeting with, what days you're meeting. Take a look at that. And then also remember, take a look at the lit circles and be aware of who you're meeting with and at what times, okay? And then reading your AR book. Some of you have been testing and turning in some seesaws, which has been great to see. And then just a reminder for My Side of the Mountain. All right, let's have another great week, guys. Look forward to seeing all of your smiling faces and all of your awesome pictures tomorrow of your hoodies up. So hopefully all of us can participate and we can see how many of us we can get, and then we can get Mr. Lund to participate in one of these days. All right, guys, have a great day. Let us know if you have any questions, all right?